afternoon. So, ngayon ay pupunta kami sa church kasi it's Sunday. But before that, pupunta muna kami sa pumpkin, what is it called? Pumpkin place?
Pumpkin patch. Yeah, it's close.
Yeah. Oh, we go back in our house.
What?
Yeah, sa pumpkin, ano guys, yung parang ano ba, farm ng pumpkin kasi magpipicture-picture ako doon. At hindi pa ako nakatry noon kasi when I got here it's December, so hindi na season. At ngayon pumpkin season na. We're going there. It's like 15 minutes from our house. Medyo mainit. Mainit ngayon. And it's already 3:15 p.m. Ayan, mga bahay-bahay. Mga old style na bahay. Mainit ngayon guys. Kaya ganito lang ako. Mag-tube. Suot ako ng tube, pero mamamaya sa simbahan madala akong cardigan para formal attire. Nandito na kami guys sa may pumpkin place. Daming tao ngayon dito. Init. Sobrang init. I'm just gonna walk. Let's do that. So I'm gonna take a video here. So ito yung aking outfitan. Is it? Wait. Okay. No dogs, please. Wow. Hello. Hi. So it looks like guys, $10. Babe. Mga malalaking pumpkin din. Init. Oh, that's how you take pictures last time. I know. Who took you that picture, babe? Who took you that picture? Yeah. Mag-picture ako dito, mga madam.
See how tall you are next to the...
See how tall you are. Go there.
Exactly.
Huh?
I don't think exactly.
Just stand there. I think it is. You're 6. Yeah, it looks accurate. It's 6'1". Ay? 6'2". How about me? Put it there. How tall I am. No. Hi. Huh? No? Don't need to. I'll just take a video. What's this? I'll just like this. I'll just take a screenshot. That's what they have here. Like your outfit, babe. Wala. Yeah. Oh, that's for kids.
You can walk out in the field there.
I want to take a picture in this one.
Baby, see what I'm saying?
Huh?
See this big field out here?
What is it?
You can walk in that whole field. Pick whatever pumpkin you want.
No. I just want here. It's cheap though. 1.50. But I don't know how to decorate, babe.
Decorate it. You just, I don't know.
Have a lot of pumpkins here too. Mag-picture muna ako. Oh, this one. Different kind. I don't know what is this. Is it a pumpkin still?
Ah.
Parang ano siya, bitter melon margoso. Oh, that one is a different.
You want some of
Ay.
this shaved ice thing, man?
Huh?
You want some of this little shaved ice thing over here?
What is it?
Want to go get some?
Ice cream?
No, it's like snow cone.
No.
I want one.
Okay, you can have one. You can buy one. Yeah, wait, I'll just take a picture. When... Wala. Cute din ito. Iwan ko ano to siya. Namili siya ng... What is it? Shaved ice. Picture of this.
That's still there.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right, you guys have a great day.
Get you.
Thank
Do you
you.
want a receipt?
No, it's alright.
Take a picture of that, babe.
You want to try it?
I'll just take a picture.
Yeah. A little bit. Try it. You like it?
Okay. So sweet.
I like it.
Hmm.
Come on. Go sit over here.
Mm-hmm. Oh, popcorn. Oh,
Want some?
is that popcorn? Oh, it's a burger. Ala, ang ganda din ito, oh. Ba din yung kanyang kulay, malalaki. $5.
Just sit for a minute, alright? My back's hurting.
Yeah.
Get out of the sun.
Kasi mainit.
Yeah, sit over there. Sit across from me.
I want to be here. Oh, so hot.
Go out in the field over there?
Later we will. I want to. No, not in that field, babe. I'm gonna go there, and then we're gonna go. There it is. Ang init, guys. Picture. Mhm.
Take him out of school.
Yeah. After,
Hmm?
so it's not so hot after school.
No. Earlier in the day, during a weekday, when nobody's here.
Can we take a picture? Yeah.
Go.
Oh, my camera's not that good. Maybe here. Grabe ang init, guys. So, ngayon pauwi na kami. Pauwi na,
Still
pupunta kami ng church. Oo. Yeah. Super hot.
Probably even here in October. When I brought here.
October?
It's like October 20th or something. It was hot.
Hmm.
It's still hot.
Hello guys! So, kakadating lang namin. Galing sa simbahan. We went to church and after that, pumunta ako ng grocery. So, it's already 8:30 p.m. na dito sa California. At bumili ako ng cheddar cheese kasi bukas magluluto ako ng empanada. So, abangan nyo yan guys sa video ko bukas, yung empanada. And syempre, itong pepperoni para naman sa pizza. Kasi may dough pa ako na ginawa yung last time. So, ito yung sa pizza, ito yung pepperoni pizza. Pepperoni pizza. Ito yung pepperoni na ilalagay ko sa pizza. And then, bumili din ako ng carrots para sa empanada. So, gagawin ko na empanada bukas ay ham and cheese para sa akin. And then, sa asawa ko, ipapatry ko sa kanya kung magustuhan niya. So, ilalagay ko cheddar cheese, chicken, potato, and carrots. And then, bumili ako guys sa Sprouts Market ng, tawag dito, cashew seeds. So, cashew seeds, 1 pound tong nabili ko, yung sinuscoop lang nila para mas makatipid. And then, madami na siya. Nakatipid talaga ako compare sa, bibili ako sa mga ganito. Kasi dito, parang konti lang. So, ito, marami na for $10. $10 to siya. And then, grabe, kasi, sabi nila kung gusto ko daw ng sample. So, sample. Grabe yung sample nila, guys. Parang half pound. Napaka-generous naman ng Sprouts Market. Ito yung binili ko. Ito yung kanilang sample. Tignan nyo, ang dami. So, ito cashew seeds din to na may flavor. Ito yung binili ko lang. Walang flavor, unsalted. Grabe sila magbigay ng ng sample. Sa Pilipinas siguro magbibigay ng sample kung gusto mo. Tag 3 piraso, 2 piraso. Especially pag mga cashew seeds. Kasi ang mahal ang cashew seeds. Ito sa siguro nasa na to. Nasa, kung bibilihin ko sa mga ganito, siguro nasa $8 or $7. Pero nakuha ko lang siya ng free. Kaya, thank you Lord, may blessing. And then, sa church guys, binigyan kami, pagkatapos namin mag Bible study, binigyan kami ng ganito. Pray more, worry less. Kasi meron kaming women's ministry na gathering. So, after that, binibigyan niya kami ng mga Bible verse or depende kung ano yung topic namin. And then, ito din, may nakuha din ako tape measure para kung ano na yung size ng tummy ko. So, ito yung nakuha ko galing sa church. Eh ngayon, nalagay ko kasi may pretzels akong nabili. So, ayaw ko yung lasa nito. Dito ko ilalagay yung guys, yung nabili ko na cashew seeds. Grabe, ang dami. Pero sabi nila, good daw to para sa baby. Kumain ng mga nuts. Sarap. Sobrang dami. Hindi ko na ito maubos. Tapos may sample pa. Roasted yung binili ko. Para walang oil. Last time ko pa ito tinititigan. Kaso lang namahalan ako. Pero sinabi ko, ay naisip ko, yung sa kanilang mga tawag doon, mga scoop. 1 pound, $10, $11. Medyo mahal siya, pero mas madami kasi pound. Yung kanilang compare sa bibigay ako dito. Tupperware yung kanilang basihan. Then, yung sample, ito ko naman nilalagay. Ito naman, parang coated. Sarap din. And then, itong isa, sarap. Pero mas gusto ko yung lang sugar. Ito, to siya. Medyo maanghang, spicy. Ito ko na lang ilagay. So, yung asawa ko matutulog na yan siya. Kasi bukas may trabaho. Ako kakain na ako guys ng kanin. Kasi for sure, may tinola pa ako dito. Kahit konting kanin lang. Kasi mamaya, magigising na naman ulit ako. At magugutom. Kung hindi ako kakain. Kanina pang umaga, 9 a.m. Yan yung last ko nakain. Tapos kumain na ako ng mga May suman. Pero suman, konti na naman siya na. Suman ko rin. Suman daw to. Ibalik ko daw sa may ano. Lagay ko to ulit sa ref. Ay, hala. Ano yun? Tawag sa amin dito. Ito, ang tawag na. Nakalimutan ko. Lagay ko lang sa foil. Then, mag-microwave ako ng aking ulam. Ito yung ulamin ko, guys. Tinolang manok. May dahon ng sili. Nilagyan ko, guys, ng dahon ng sili. At saka sayote at malunggay. Para healthy. Bango. Parang gusto ko mag-live sa YouTube. Mag-sint ako. Kain tayo, guys. Ito yung aking ulam. Tinola. So, ito lang yung dinner ko. Ako na lang mag-isa kumain. Kasi ang asawa ko, maaga pa yan bukas. At hindi naman siya gutom. Kaya ako na lang yung kakain. Yung last niya nakain kanina din umaga, alas 9. Ewan ko ba, bakit hindi yan masyado naging gutom? Ay, kumain pala siya ng pizza kanina. Before kami umalis. Na-miss kong kumain ng tinola na native na manok. Mas masarap yun. Tapos may atay sa Pilipinas. Tapos na akong mag-dinner, guys, and it's already 8:41 PM dito at maaga pa akong gigising bukas kasi magtatrabaho naman yung mister ko. Mga 5:30 gigising ako para mag-prepare ng kanyang lunch and breakfast. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bukas gagawa ako ng empanada. Yun yung gagawin ko. At next time siguro buko kayo naman. And thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you want to follow me on Facebook, my name is Maria Rose Vlog 2. Bye-bye. God bless everyone. Thank you so much.